My street. Which one? Little two-story at the top of the street. Little two-story at the top of the house garage. I think I have 7. Oh, yeah. Left side. Yeah. Right side. Yeah, it's on the right side, right the back of this past Billy's house. Yeah. It's left side is the back. Remember, it's even. That's it. It's his house. Somewhere. Oh, yeah.
Here's all radios?
The house is empty. Yeah, so we're going to go out. Yeah, we're waiting to see Felix and Chelsea. Joey Beano. Yeah, big guy, so he can get the house. Right there. That house. Yeah, they got a nice backyard next to the garage. There's some outside seating area next to the garage. Street's quiet. Yeah, it's not terrible, you know?
You guys can return 435 together.